Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make a Telegram OCR bot. OCR means optimal character recognition. Like the Google Lens, we use to extract text from the image. As you can see, this is the result of our project. As you can see, the working of our bot. When we send the image to our bot, it will extract the text and send it to you. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So first of all, you need to download the Tesseract-OCR.exe file in your PC. You can find the download link in the description. After that, install the package and check the exe file in your main directory because we need to give that path in our code. Now open the command prompt and type this command to install following required modules. You can find this command in the description. Now create one folder and open that folder into your favorite code editor. I am using Visual Studio Code. Create a Python file. Now import all the shown modules. Import NumPy and image from Pillow to read the image. We are using Tesseract to perform OCR on image file. In Windows, Python cannot recognize the tesseract.exe file, so we are going to set that manually. Create main function and add one print statement to check our script is working or not. Now you need the token number of your bot, so go to the Telegram and search for bot father and create your bot. It is very simple, so I am not going to share that part. Now copy token number and set variable in your script. Here in updater, you need to check the spelling of updater carefully. Use capital U in spelling. This updater will run our script continuously. In dispatcher, you can add different handler functions in your bot like start, help, and etc. Now create function for this start handler. Now let's print this update so we can see what data we are receiving from the Telegram server if user type the command. Open your bot and type the start command using /. Here you can see the data in JSON format. Now stop the script using Ctrl+C. Now let's send the reply to the user who types start command. Here you can see bot sent reply to the user. Now let's grab the name of user from update JSON data and use that in your reply text. Create the object of that file and download that object. Now print the confirmation message. Now let's send the image file. I am using my mobile to send the image. Here you can see in our main directory we have received the same file. Now let's perform OCR on this image, which is very simple. Follow this code. Now reply this extracted text to the user. Now let's check. Type start command and send the image file. Here we go. Here we have successfully received that text. Thanks for watching.